Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple brightening eye gel. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Gently wash your face to remove any impurities or makeup, ensuring your skin is completely dry. This crucial step prepares your delicate under-eye area for optimal absorption. Remember, a clean base helps the gel work its magic more effectively, setting the stage for a refreshed and radiant look. Now let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the brightening eye gel onto your ring finger. This finger applies the least pressure, which is perfect for the delicate skin around your eyes. Gently dot the gel along your orbital bone, from the inner corner to the outer corner. Then, lightly tap the product into your skin until it is fully absorbed, avoiding any harsh rubbing. For the best results, consistency is absolutely key. We recommend applying your brightening eye gel twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. In your skincare routine, apply the eye gel after cleansing and toning, but before any heavier serums, moisturizers, or sunscreen. This ensures the lightweight gel can penetrate effectively, delivering its brightening benefits consistently over time. Using this simple brightening eye gel regularly offers fantastic benefits. It helps to visibly reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, giving you a more awake and refreshed look. The gel also provides essential hydration, smoothing fine lines and improving skin texture. For optimal freshness and efficacy, store your eye gel in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Enjoy your brighter, more radiant eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.